Hi everybody, I'm Jamie from Spring Stitch Knits, and I'm here to introduce one of my favorite tools. This is the Knitter's Pride Knitting Pattern Holder. This is so handy. You don't have to be a knitter. You can be a crocheter, you can do fiber arts, you can do needlework, anything that requires a written pattern or charting or anything else, this is ideal for. So let me show you. First, it has this nice little snap open enclosure. You're going to open it up, and on the inside you have a zipper pouch to store any materials that you need, but also here's where the fun is. You have this magnetic strip, which is really nice and strong. It can hold multiple papers in these little tiny magnets. They don't look like much, but boy are they strong. So this is, 5 pages deep? And my pattern, the magnet sticks right to it. There's no falling off. So the magnets are really strong. You're going to stick your magnets wherever you need, and then your chart. If you're doing written work, you can move it to kind of adjust what line you are on. I like to do charting with all of my patterns, whether I'm doing lace or cable or color work. And boy, I before was using a highlighter, and I was running the highlighter from each row to indicate where I had lopped off. This makes it so effortless. I can just put my magnet wherever I want and move it up for each row. And again, if you want more stabilization, you can put it on here. Your papers aren't going anywhere. And like I said before, this is a 5-page document and it's holding strong. So again, whether you're working portrait or landscape, you can manipulate your magnet whichever direction you want. The other bonus about this binder is really neat. So you have your strap that opens and closes and keeps it sealed tight. But if you take your strap and you flip it around like so, and you snap it backwards on itself, you now have a prop stand. So while you're working, you can prop it up and you can work and just go to town. It's really cool. And again, when you're all done, you don't have to move anything. You can simply close it, snap it, store it, and when you're ready to use it, you're right where you left off. It's really a cool design. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you can use this in the future. Thanks a lot. Bye.